is not too bad. Beautiful rice paddies just dotting the hills, and we're just cruising down this road here. Hey everyone, how you doing? So today we're leaving Kathmandu, starting to head east. Not 100% sure where we're going to end up today. We're just going to head in that direction and yeah, see where we get to. Could be interesting. Today's the first day we're going to have the auto on the road illegally without having the import papers. So yeah, we'll just hope that everything runs smoothly, we don't run into any cops. If you remember coming into Kathmandu, we broke our clutch cable. Now I haven't been able to find a new clutch cable for the auto, so we're just running on like a bit of a thinner gear cable, so we'll hope that that works. So I'm just going to adjust that, make sure our exhaust is on nice and tight, then we'll hit the road. Looking forward to it. Alright, so we're about halfway out of the city, Kathmandu here in Nepal, and we've come prepared this time. We bought these dust masks, which are quite a necessity here in Nepal, well, especially Kathmandu, or as the locals call it, Dustmandu. So yeah, we're masking up, hopefully get out of Kathmandu in the next hour or so.
Looking for hearts being darker than a devil's soul. I ain't someone you bring to mama's house. Do you believe? Do you believe when I say time is so brief and love is so brief and all you will ever see me do?
Yeah, so we've come down out of the mountains, sort of driving along the bottom of a valley now, and as you've seen, it's just been absolutely spectacular. There's these little villages and all the rice fields just in the base of the valley. It's just amazing. It's like nothing I've ever seen before.
Acting like the man you'll never understand, but baby don't leave. Baby, don't leave. Save me, save me. You gotta save me, save me, save me. You gotta.
So a lot of the time we've been driving through the mountains in India and Nepal, we've come across the sites of landslides, and we've just come around this corner. And yeah, there is a landslide in progress, literally still sliding down the side of the mountain. You can see the dust all down in the river there. It's crazy. So yeah, I'm really glad that we haven't come across any landslides on the road so soon after they've happened, because I imagine it'd be interesting.
Save me, save me. Save me. I've got these demons going on inside. Your love is the only way to satisfy. Show me the road where I see the light. Do you believe when I say no?
Alright, so we've come down out of the mountains now. It's sort of cruising along the valley floor again, and we just run out of fuel. Little girl's a bit thirsty, so we'll fill her up and then keep going. I think we've got about maybe another 20 or 30 k's, and we think there might be seen a few signs for a hotel on the side of the road, so we'll go and see if we can get a room there. Alright, we're all fueled up. My new friend Cecile helped me put the fuel in, held the funnel for me, so that was awesome. We'll head off now, say goodbye to these little rascals. Goodbye. Bye bye. Bye bye. See you guys. Thank you very much, sir, for your help. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Thank you. Thank you. High five. You want high five? Yeah. You high five? Yeah. Alright. See you guys. Thank you. Ciao.
Medication, no meditation will ever work like you do. Save me, you gotta.
So we're about 5 k's on from where we filled up. We just pulled off into this little town because we saw a sign for a hotel. Done a lap of the town, haven't really found the hotel yet, but we saw a building that looked the most promising anyway, so we're just heading back there to check it out.
Save me, you gotta save me.
Hotel? I think it's a looks promising. Excellent, just checked into our room. Fine little room. Best part about it, I reckon, is it has a coat rack. Now, I don't think I have ever used a coat rack before in my life, so it's not the most stable one, but it's definitely holding my coat, so it's a winner. Alright, so just going for a little walk, see if we can find something to eat. Also want to try and find out the name of this place, because at this stage I have no idea. It's not on the map, it's just like a little sort of settlement next to the road, so I'll see if I can find that out and let you know where we're spending the night. Found me when I was down. I didn't know